Hey everyone, this is Team SYLO. We are presenting you Gramsar, the application, which is a AI assistant for Panchayat officials or district administrative people. So let's look into the application and how it works. So this application has a registration page where we can register as three different personas. So based on persona, they'll have access to the features. So this is district admin, Panchayat officer, or a rural user. So inside the application, there are multiple features. So if we log in into the application, we can see to which district the person belongs to and his role and name. So for example, we can go to profile and see his details. So the core of this application is a dual reg. So I have some scheme details. Let's say I have something about cattle shed scheme. So I can say cattle shed scheme, and this is agriculture. So agriculture, and I can ingest this document. So sometime it will take some time, and then it will ingest the data into the vector store. Yeah, it ingested. Now I can select another document which is about FAQs, and we can send it into second index and we can ingest the document. So there is a document about scheme and there is a document about FAQs. We can use both of them to generate a report. So let's take this cattle shed scheme for now. So we previously generated a report for this, which is here. So we can regenerate a report or see the existing report. So let's say I'm regenerating the report as of now. So what exactly the report is? It will contain the frequently asked questions, the details such as eligibility, deadlines, the financial details, benefits, how to apply common pitfalls and tips. So these reports are saved in our backend database, DynamoDB, and we can fetch them, refresh them, and regenerate them. And if the user has more questions, let's say, what amount will I receive for this scheme? And this is agriculture, right? So if we run a query based on both of those documents, we will get the details of how much subsidy we are getting, all those details. So this is about the report generation part. So it will help us in deciding or extracting information in a meaningful way. We do not have to manually go through all the documents. We can use this chatbot to retrieve sharp information with precise responses. So the next part we are going is the dashboards part, where in the dashboards we can see the mandal name. So we can select any of the mandal in that district since he is a district admin. So for next 4 months, we can change this number also. For next 4 months, for these 13 mandals, this is the average rainfall we have, and this is the predicted rainfall part. So we have the panel here which will show the rainfall in mm. So why we have AI here? What it adds specialty is it will give us the reasoning which builds trust in the farmers or the people who are using it. Let's say what is best crop for next month. So people know like specific crops will grow in specific months, but with this tool, with the predicted amount of rainfall in next month, the LLM will give customized responses to the users, enabling them to take more sharp decisions or clever decisions based on the data instead of following what they have been following from previous years. So this is regarding the dashboards where we are adding suggested crop section also here, which will show some suggested crops for that specific region. Coming to the budget insights part, here it will show what schemes and budgets which are available. So we can ask what budget is available. Yeah, so it will show the available funds for the given schemes here in this mandal. So in the analytic analysis part, we will show the drought analysis. So let's say we took this region from Warangal district where everything is green. We had much more rainfall here. So since the drought percentage is very low, everything looks green here. So we can generate analysis here and it will give us some details of the forecast. So in the schemes part, we have included some PDF files to download so that you can ingest it in the application and test it. So overall, this application helps us in precisely getting the information in a sharp way instead of going through bulk amount of documents. And it helps us in taking better decisions based on the existing data. Thank you.